day before my strip hunt. Starts tomorrow morning. Curtis just got here. It's me, CJ, Curtis and my dad, and we're in for a real treat. Curtis just smoked a bunch of meat, and now he's just...
Want to do some documentation?
Oh, look at that. That is prime. Just not real good. So it's day one of my strip hunt, and we glassed up a buck this morning, one of our target bucks, and he fed into the trees, bedded down about 200, maybe 220 from us. We hiked up from the backside into these rocks, and if they come out and feed in this grass area, it's over. But if they don't, we'll just try to hunt them tomorrow. So that's the update. We got all the boys together. My dad, CJ's with me, Curtis and Chase are back glassing down farther, so hopefully we can seal the deal tonight. And here's our official
Got her taken care of.
fire pit for camp.
Got that done, huh?
Way to go. All right, day one in the books.
I saw him. We saw him.
We got the best fire pit to end the day,
We'll be in church on Sunday.
and it's extremely welcome.
That's church?
Look at that. That is so awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Dad's gonna do a blue dart. Got the trailers all hooked up. We got meat warming up that Curtis smoked. We got pulled pork sandwiches tonight. It's gonna be pretty awesome.
Oh, that.
It's day two. We're glassing off this backside. We've seen 5 bucks and probably 10 plus does. So hopefully we can turn up a big one to hunt this afternoon. Alright, it's second evening. It's really hot today, so we're sitting on the water, but in a huge water. Just looking to maybe connect on one that walks in the water. So it's super windy, super windy. So it's just set right now. See what we can do. Alright, it is day 3. It's Sunday. We saw 20 dogs this morning. A few small dogs. One of the shooters, our target bucks, is gone out of this area, so there's the bigger one that we're still trying to find. So, just here with my dad. We're up here glassing. It's about 4 o'clock, and we're hoping to stumble on a big buck. We're sitting about 600 yards from water, so it should be good. He's not letting that dog go. What are you doing? spitting on my kenai so that I'm nice and toasty for the day.
What day is it?
I don't even know anymore. It's Monday. We saw 4 or 5 bucks, right? Saw a good 3-point. Saw another good deer. Seen a lot of does, which is good. That 3-point was rutting for a little bit and then left, but we're going for a giant. So we're just gonna keep hunting until we find a giant. There's one in here still that we know of that is not dead, and everything else we're just not gonna shoot. Gonna hold out for a big dog. That's it. We got the best fire pit on the strip, I can guarantee you that. We got Dutch oven potatoes that Grizz has been slaving away at. CJ's just getting us the best fire going here. We're gonna have the most giant bonfire ever. Grizz is out here. It's just the 4 of us. Chase went back into town. So we're gonna have Dutch oven potatoes and barbecue chicken tonight.
I haven't seen a doe yet. I haven't seen the second buck. I'm guessing he's somewhere over there, but I haven't seen him.
Did you see where the first one's bedded?
He's not bedded anymore. He's standing up. I whistled at him and got him to stand.
Oh yeah, the other one that was with him was probably 20 yards in front of him in the same elevation last time I saw him. Are the deer still bedded? Are they up moving?
2 out of the 8 are up and moving. The rest are bedded.
That's a pretty good nice one. Is that
That's the one we saw this morning.
yeah. I'll probably take that.
I was so stressed out. Nothing got away from the 26.
I know. Well, that's the thing. I was just like, dude, nothing lives through that. Nothing lives through that shit.
I'm so damn sick to my stomach. I can barely breathe.
You hot?
Oh, we killed it.
Dude.
Stay here for a second.
I've never felt like this.
So the guy.
I'm gonna pass out.
2 point.
Dude, I saw that, man. I was so jealous.
Dude, can you believe that?
Yeah, I can
Hey.
believe it.
I'm sorry if I made you mad.
No, did you?
Telling you to back off.
No, you're good.
Not step on the.
You're good. I'd be just like you'd be like, get out of the way. No, bro, we're good.
It's easy to lose. Dude, we did it, bro.
You
Bro.
Dude, walk us through what happened, man.
I dropped him off at this training because we were like, we got to try something different.
Bro, because when you guys.
We went.
Alright, we got us a little fire. It's getting a little chilly. We're caping this buck out. Go. Couldn't have done it with this full crew right here. Multiple people involved, driving, getting here, food. It has been an amazing trip and memory that I'll never forget. Till next time. Don't know when I'll draw the strip again, but till next time. Chase. Oh, dude! Oh my gosh!
Watch those.
Let me go get my right. 11 and a half. 3.